Maybelline products inside the box. Woo! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a box that was sent to me by Maybelline, and I'm also going to be doing my makeup with some of the products that I unboxed. So this box was sent to me a couple of days ago, and this is what it looks like. And inside the box, I have quite a number of products. There are a couple of Maybelline products inside this box, obviously. I have a couple of powders. They gave me like 3 shades of powders. They gave me, I have 3 different shades of foundation, and I think my foundation is going to be here because they gave me the true caramel shade, and I think this one is going to be my shade. I have a couple of lipsticks as well, quite a number of lipsticks, and I honestly don't think I would have the time in this video to start swatching all of them, but I have quite a number of lipsticks here. Then I have a couple of, actually 3 tubes of the normal to oily skin matte poreless foundations. I also have their concealers as well, but this concealer is a bit dark for me, so I may not be using it to conceal my eyes and my face. And then I also have here the mousse mattifying primer base. I have the eyeliner here as well. I have 2 types actually. And what else? So we're going to get into this video, and in this video I'm basically going to do my makeup using all of these products, and I'm going to be telling you guys what I think about them, because some of these products I've not used. For example, I've never used the powder before. I'm going to begin by priming my face, and I'm using the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Primer. Going to swatch this, the normal to oily skin matte poreless foundation, liquid foundation, as well as the Super Stay foundation in caramel. This one is toffee caramel, while this one is true caramel, and whichever one actually works for my skin right now is what I'm going to use. So this is what they both look like, and I feel like I am gravitating towards this one because it's more yellow, while this one is a bit too it's a bit too bright for my skin right now. So I'm going to use this shade. So I'm going in with this beauty blender, and I'm just pressing it on into my skin because I want it to just enter inside very well. Because I really want to use only Maybelline products in this video, I'm going to mix this concealer with this foundation. So I'm going in with the dark concealer, and I'm just going to contour my face a little bit, just a little bit, because I haven't done this step in a very long time. I usually just skip this concealer contour part of it, but we have a contour shade, so let's just taking the setting powder, the setting and perfection powder. I'm going to set my under eye area. So now I'm going to take the powder in cinnamon, and I'm going to use that to set the rest of my face. Actually set all my face, like my whole face. Now we're going to go into the eye makeup look that I'm doing today. I'm recreating a look that was done at the Lagos Fashion and Design Week, and it's actually a very dramatic look, but I'm going to go subtle on it because you guys know I love subtle makeup. The eye makeup is a bit dramatic, but and it had like really bold lips. I'm going to leave a picture here so that you guys can do it. I'm going to finish up my face before we move on to the eye. Girl bronzer in Ebony Bronze. To use the Master Strobing stick Just putting a little bit of that at the back of my hand, and I'm going to take my brush and I'm just going to swirl through it. This is so pretty and it looks really natural, guys. It looks like it's inside my skin. Guys, let's move on into while we're here. I'm going to line my waterline first. Waterline done, I'm going to now start creating the eye makeup look. You know what? I'm going to give myself a little bit of eye contour. I don't want my eyes looking so bland. So I'm taking the dark powder from Maybelline as well. This shade is Espresso, and I'm going to create some sort of depth in my eye. I'm going to use the Colossal Kajal, and I'm going to start drawing the line. So I'm going in with mascara. I line with a dark brown lip pencil. They used a bold color in that picture, and I'm just thinking, like, should I do a bold lip color? There's this really nice purple shade that I'm holding right now that's can quite pass for that, you know, look. See how it looks. It's really nice, and it's a gloss. It's a lip gloss rather. And then there's this nude, the one I said I really liked in the beginning. That's what it looks like. Ooh, this is like a 2-in-1 lipstick. One side is a balm, a lip balm, and the other side is lip gloss. That's the color of that one. So see, it's a bit darker. There's a red lipstick, guys. Should I use red? This red is so nice. It's from the Vivid Liquid Matte collection. This is what it looks like. Then there's this other one. Ooh. So there's this purple, which really is similar to what the lady was wearing in that picture. It's like a dark blue. And then there's this dark brown as well, which can also pass for a dark color to use on my lips. And there's this, oh, whoosh. This is actually a really nice pink. And then there's also this lipstick. It's like a hot pink lipstick, but let's see what it looks like when you swatch it. That is what it looks like here. It looks like red, but it's pink. It's like really hot pink. If I'm going to use any dark color, it will be this one. Should I use this one? Should I use this one? Let's use this hot pink. I honestly want to see what it looks like on my lips. I quite like it. So guys, this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it because it was really quick. I didn't want to spend any time just rambling and talking so much. I just wanted to go straight to the point. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Make sure you subscribe. I do beauty videos. I have vlogs, lifestyle vlogs, and I also have story times and also faith-related story times as well. So welcome to this family in advance, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.